Whispering pines, secrets untold. whisper truths as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted and tied by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound, and the arms of sorrow